Hi guys, I am your host Saikat and welcome to my channel. Today I ordered from Amazon that Zook rocker couplet, and I got it for 900 only because in Amazon sale, that Great Indian sale, whatever sale was there, and I got it for 899 only. And here you will get the wireless bud, and it's a auto pairing and a noise reduction, external and voice control, deep bass, everything. And here you can see rich balance sound, stereo calling, and by binaural connection. I don't know what is this. And here you will get the latest Bluetooth technology version 5, bass X, rich balance sound, true wireless stereo experience, auto pairing, external noise reduction, all day battery life, has means Google and Siri support, deep bass monopod capability. You can use one also and two also together. And the specification you'll get that everything is there, and it's the price is written is there is 2999, but for Amazon you'll get now on 1100 if I don't wrong, and in on sale you'll get in 900 only. And Zook is a company from France, and on whatever it's made in China. And this is the box, and I'll open the box now. Here if I'll open, you first you will get in a down the its user manual. Usually we don't check this one, but if you have time you can check this. Okay, I'm keeping inside. And even warranty card, it's like a ATM card on plastic. Here you will get the model number, that JB rocker couplet, and the serial number of your product. You can register online, and you will get 1 month extra warranty. Okay, this is the warranty card. This is pretty good, and I'll keep aside this one. And here in the box, first you'll get here the charging cable. There is no type C, only USB 2.0, and some that earbuds, the bigger and smaller one, and the medium one, it's here. And here you will get the Zook box, that here you can open. There is no magnet, it's only lock. Magnet you will get here in the charging point, and here you will get the buds. There is no left and right, anything you can use in any ear. It is very light in weight. This two, this, and there is auto pairing. Once you will put here, it will start charging. Yeah, it starts charging, and you will put this one also, it starts charging. And here is the charging cable. Once charge will finish, that light will goes off, and here also for the same. Once the charge will finish, then it will become means light will stop. And the power, you can use one buds for 4 hour, means two buds together for calling and anything, 4 hours. And this box capability, you can charge your earbuds for 5 times, means total 20 hour of backup you will get from this. It's a pretty good, very small. There is a Zook branding here. It's that model number JB rocker couplet and made in China. I used this once I got this one. That's why I was going to be a put a review, not an unboxing video. The sound is pretty good. It's very good. It's like I use JBL also, and the JBL quality you will get more than that, and the bass and the sound is very good. When I was this is a newly launched product, and when I was going to order this one, I was little bit that confused, that should I go for it or not. But I saw only 3 reviews are there, and 3 are 5 star. Then I took a risk and I ordered this one.